Hi, I'm Robert with ApplianceVideo.com. Today we'll be taking a look at what Fisher Paykel calls the module display, otherwise known as the touchpad or control pad on this Fisher Paykel bottom mount refrigerator. Stop. Before you begin any repair, unplug the appliance from the wall outlet. It is also recommended that you check for proper voltage. A faulty module display on the Fisher Paykel bottom mount refrigerator would have several different issues to it. You could have stuck keys, which would continue to beep periodically, unable to change the temperature setting, different things like that, unable to shut off the ice maker, turn on the ice maker. To begin this repair, you must first open the refrigerator door. To replace the touchpad control panel, you must first open the door.
Click on the link below to view this repair video. ApplianceVideo.com guides you step by step, giving you the confidence to avoid recalls and callbacks, also saving time on repairs. Whether you're up against an uncommon repair or the latest appliance on the market, our videos have been created with you in mind. Our growing library of videos have been produced using our factory-certified technicians who have extensive infield experience over the past 30 years. ApplianceVideo.com provides high-quality repair videos that anyone can follow, regardless of their skill level. We are here to help. Click on the link below to view this repair video and let us help you do it right the first time.